What can I help you with regarding Malacca today?
Where can I go?
There are plenty of fascinating places to see in Malacca. You should definitely explore the Malacca Sultanate Palace Museum, Jonker Street Night Market, or take a romantic river cruise on the Malacca River. Don't forget to visit the iconic Christ Church in Malacca as well. Would you like to ask another question or stop? Please say yes or stop.
Stop.
Bye. Have a great day. Please rate our system. Oh no, anything that we can improve. Listening for your feedback.
Can do better interface.
You said, can do better interface. Is this correct? Say
Yes.
yes or